Hi, my name is John Michael Reyes, and now I am discussing my answer about applying differentiation. Okay, number 4. Ang hanapon derivative of 5x4 minus 5x squared plus 30x plus 15. Okay, the solution. Ang derivative sa individual ini hanapan nato ang iyang derivative. First, ini siya ang derivative of 5x4 or and derivative ng negative 5x cube, tapos derivative of 30x plus derivative of 15. Sa derivative of ini siya magamit kita ng power rule. Same diri power rule ni kung ano man siya constant, tapos ini ang value of x, tapos ang derivative of 15 is 0. Ini siya makita nimo nin 5x ay 5 times 4x kay gikon man natong ila power rule, then minus 5 constant niya, tapos x 3x squared kay minus 1 man dyan siya kung magkuhan ka ng power rule, plus 30 kay 30 times 1 man dyan siya may mo siya 30. Ang derivative of 15 is constant man, 0. Ang final answer is 20x squared minus 15x cube plus 30. Okay. Okay, number 3. The derivative of x squared minus 12x plus 5. Mara gyapon na procedure no atong isa-isa pagkuha ang derivative. Then the derivative of x squared plus derivative of negative 12x plus derivative of 5. Sa derivative of x squared is may any ma-apply man nato ang power rule, 3x squared kay minus 1 naman is yung 3, and then minus 12x not ini 12x, ang ining value of x is 1 times 12 is 12. Kapi lang natong sign kay negative man. And then ang derivative of 5 is a constant man, 0. Then ini ang final answer, 3x squared minus 12. Number 1, derivative of x ay 8 minus x squared. First atong ikon no, isa-isang pagkuha sa differentiation. Ang derivative of 8 minus derivative of x squared. Ang derivative of 8 is a constant man, 0. Then derivative of x squared, ini siya is power rule, 3x no, kay ini siya ma-minus 1 amon ma-minus siya 2. Ang final answer is negative 3x squared.